1975, a pivotal moment in environmental history unfolded. Specific legislation was enacted to safeguard the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef ecosystem on our planet. This marked the birth of the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, spanning an impressive 344,400 square kilometers, equivalent to the size of Italy or Malaysia. Today, we embark on a journey through this underwater wonderland. The Great Barrier Reef is not just a reef, it's an ecological masterpiece that supports an astonishing diversity of life. Known as an integral part of the Australian national identity, globally renowned as the most iconic coral reef ecosystem, the Great Barrier Reef is acknowledged internationally as a World Heritage Area of exceptional importance. The Great Barrier Reef, a marvel of nature spanning over 900 islands, is home to an exceptional array of life. From the smallest algae to the largest marine mammals, this ecosystem teems with diversity. Within its waters thrive corals, invertebrate, bony fish, sharks, rays, marine mammals, turtles, sea snakes, seabirds, and countless other creatures. The Great Barrier Reef supports an incredible diversity of plants and animals thanks to its unique habitats. Coral Reef, though occupying just 7% of its vast area, definitely plays a crucial role as habitats for a multitude of marine species. The Great Barrier Reef ecosystem hosts a vast array of plant and animal species. Its biodiversity encompasses over 100 to 1,000 species of hard coral, fishes, sponges, sea snakes, mollusks, echinoderms, marine algae, and most importantly, 6 out of the world's 7 species of marine turtles can also be found here, and that is definitely a lot. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of this fragile underwater world. Yet, amidst this richness, the reef faces challenges. Climate change, catchment runoff, coastal development and extraction activities pose the greatest threats to the Great Barrier Reef, particularly its ecosystem diversity. Before diving deep into the ocean of the Great Barrier Reefs and unraveling its challenges, let us understand what is ecosystem-based management. An article written by Leach and friends found that ecosystem-based management is an approach that focuses on managing our resources collectively within an ecosystem to maintain ecological integrity while still allowing resource extraction. EBM is crucial for sustainability as it connects all parts of an ecosystem, helping to protect nature from environmental changes and human impact.
The Great Barrier Reef Australia is home to a diverse range of marine species, including over 410 species of hard corals, over 1,620 species of fish, turtles, and marine mammals. Ecosystem management aims to protect this rich biodiversity and ensure the survival of various species that rely on coral reef for habitats and food. Coral reef in the Great Barrier Reef Australia act as a carbon sink, absorbing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The calcareous skeletons of corals and the growth of marine plants such as algae help to sequester the carbon dioxide at a rate of 140 to 300 million metric tons per year globally, thereby mitigating the impacts of greenhouse gas emissions. Coral reef, including the Great Barrier Reef Australia, provide natural coastal protections by reducing the impacts of wave and storm surge on coastline. Healthy reef act as a barrier that helps buffer coastal communities from the effects of sea level rise and extreme weather events such as flooding and erosions associated with the climate change.
The ecosystem management method used in the Great Barrier Reef, Australia include Marine Protected Area (MPA) with a focus on zoning and coral reef restoration. Marine Protected Area (MPA) are crucial for maintaining marine biodiversity and sustaining non-target species and ecosystem service. They help coral reef community withstand natural disturbance like coral bleaching, disease, and storm. Dr. John Charlie Barron, godfather of coral, is a respected marine biologist and coral reef expert. He has played a key role in identifying and promote the Great Barrier Reef designation as a Marine Protected Area (MPA), highlighting its ecological importance through research and advocacy. One way Marine Protected Area (MPA) protect marine creatures is through zoning. Zoning is a planning tool that designs specific use and access rights based on land use concept. It divides or regulates activity to safeguard sensitive, ecologically valuable or recovering area. Different zones allow varied level of use based on suitability assessment, aiming to prevent conflict between incompatible activity. Each zone specifies permit activity, ensuring protection for certain area while allowing legitimate uses such as attractive operation in others. The GBRMP permit activities such as shipping, boating, diving, tourism and recreation, commercial and recreational fishing, aquaculture, research development, traditional use and defense training. Secondly is coral reef restoration. The IVF method is utilized in coral restoration effort. During mass coral spawning, researchers collect excess coral eggs and sperm from healthy reef and rear millions of baby coral in specially designed floating boats. Besides, in Australia, the Reef Restoration and Adaptation Program (RRAP) was launched in response to the several threats faced by the Great Barrier Reef, which are currently one of the largest and most well-funded projects. RRAP is dedicated to developing intervention to assist coral reef at various scales, ranging from micro scale to larger scale.
Despite the beauty and biodiversity that the Great Barrier Reef provides, there are obstacles that need to be addressed to conserve its marine species. These include climate change, overfishing, and water pollution. Climate change is a challenge that hinders ecosystem management in the Great Barrier Reef, posing one of the greatest threats to coral reef. Rising temperature, both on land and in the ocean, increased carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases leads to coral bleaching events. Heat stress causes coral to expel the symbiotic algae within their tissue and leaving their skeleton as. Even like coral bleaching can lead to habitat loss for their organism. However, coral reefs have the capacity to recover from bleaching if temperature decreases and conditions stabilize. Therefore, addressing climate change issues should be a concern for everyone to ensure the long-term health and resilience of this iconic marine ecosystem. Overfishing presents a critical challenge for Great Barrier Reef in Australia due to its impact on marine biodiversity and ecosystem. Overfishing has various negative effects on coral reef and other marine species. Coral reefs are extremely sensitive to the changes in their environment. Overfishing can also remove many fish from the food chain, leads to food scarcity for other species. In addition, fishing techniques such as bottom trawling pose damage to coral and other reef habitats. The heavy gear and chains used in bottom trawling can be fragile and break the coral ecosystem. Thus, this direct physical damage can also result in the immediate destruction of coral structure. Pollution also poses significant challenges to conserving marine species in Great Barrier Reef, primarily through sedimentation runoff. Runoff from agricultural activities in nearby catchment areas carries pollutants such as pesticides, fertilizer, and sediment into reef water. This high level of nutrient can lead to eutrophication, promoting harmful algae bloom and smoldering coral habitats. These blooms deplete oxygen in the water, creating hypoxic conditions that are detrimental to marine life. Additionally, sedimentation can reduce the clarity of coastal water and decrease the light penetration for photosynthesis of the coral for survival.
In conclusion, adopting ecosystem-based management strategies is crucial for safeguarding the biodiversity and resilience on the Great Barrier Reef. By focusing on the holistic approaches that consider the interconnectedness of species, habitat, and human activities, such as strategy mitigate threats like climate change, water pollution, and habitat degradation. Collaborative such as Marine Protected Area and Reef Restoration and Adaptation Program (RRAP) complement ecosystem-based management (EBM) by focusing on the enhancing coral health and supporting diverse marine life over the long term. By integrating EBM principle with a specific program like RRAP, this initiative aims to mitigate the impact of environmental challenges and human activities, ensuring sustainability, conservation outcome for future generations.
As the sun sets over the Great Barrier Reef, it serves as a reminder of both its beauty and fragility. By preserving its habitats and biodiversity, we can secure a future where this extraordinary ecosystem continues to thrive. In the Great Barrier Reef,